I'm coming before you today with an issue also for veterans, and it's related to veterans' cannabis use. I am not a doctor of any kind, not an MD, a pharmacist, a psychologist. I am a veteran. I woke up in a hospital at one point on a laundry list of, let's say, 20-plus drugs, from an epidural to oral morphines, oxycontins, sleep sedatives, antidepressants, anti-inflammatories. And the moment that I was aware of what I was on, I worked on weaning myself off every single bit of that, and within a matter of about 6 months, I was clear of everything that doctors had put me on while I was not even aware of it, when I was still incapacitated. Not all of my veteran brothers and sisters have had that same experience with their care and with the pharmaceuticals and the narcotics that they've been on. And while I cannot speak as a doctor, I can speak as somebody that's witnessed my Ranger brothers, my Green Beret friends, my SEAL friends, pilot friends in the military that have had similar experiences of injury or of varying kinds, woke up with similar dosages of painkillers and narcotics and other things, not been able to get off the drugs that they were on, seeing their families destroyed, their work destroyed, other parts of their life absolutely destroyed. And they're in a situation within our VA hospitals where their doctors are not able to really have honest discussions with them about the medication of cannabis use, whether that's a good choice for them, a bad choice for them, whether it's paperwork that they should be filling out and helping them gain access or not gain access to because of the laws within their state's programs. And I think that that's something that should change, that we should address by making sure that funds are not enforcing a law within the Department of Veterans Affairs that prohibits an individual's doctor within their state, where they have legal cannabis laws, from having those discussions with their veterans. And if those discussions yield that cannabis use is wise for that veteran, for whatever the reason is, helping them, assisting them with the paperwork and everything else that would be needed, as they would with any other prescription that they would be helping their patients with. That is the nature of my amendment, and to address that specifically, which is the VA policy stating that VHA providers are prohibited from completing forms or registering veterans for participation in a state-approved marijuana program. And in that, Chairman, I thank you for hearing me out, and as well as the rest of the members of the committee, and I yield to any questions that you may have.